When you start building websites, you will encounter many situations when you are required to add some sort of code in the header, body, or footer of your website pages. You can add that code by manually editing your theme's template files. However, this is not a beginner-friendly approach and is error-prone. I suggest using a free, lightweight, and easy-to-use plugin called Insert Headers and Footers. Let us install it from the WordPress plugin directory. Once done, you will see this Insert Headers and Footers option under Settings menu. As you can see, it clearly defines 3 sections, and you can put the code you want in any of these text boxes depending on where you want your code to go in the HTML of your page. Inside the head, just below the opening body tag, or above the closing body tag. You will see this in action when we build our website later in the course.